Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, I'm going to share with you the Sew Speedy Needle Minder by Whole Circle Studio. The genius behind Whole Circle Studios is none other than Sheri cifaldi. I've known Sheri for a couple of years. We got to meet at one of the big trade shows that the industry provides, and ever since then we've become really good friends. She's recently come up with this really clever little needle minder, and I was like, oh, I've got to get one of those and I've got to share it with my audience. Sheri is a nationwide educator and an award-winning quilter. To me, her quilts are more like pieces of art, and because of that, they've been featured in all kinds of art centers and galleries nationwide. And she also created and filmed 2 segments for Fresh Quilting. Sheri does presentations and trunk shows, and of course classes nationwide, so be sure to check out all of her information on her website. So without further ado, I'm going to share with you the Sew Speedy Needle Minder. One of Sheri's most popular projects is the Sew Speedy Mini Quilt, and that's where the inspiration came for the Sew Speedy Needle Minder. Let's take it out of the packaging, and you're going to notice on the wrong side there is a bit of safety information. It is a hard enamel nickel-plated piece of metal with a strong epoxy magnet on the back. It measures 1 inch in diameter. It is black with a rainbow color of needles and the words Sew Speedy. There are so many uses for the Sew Speedy Needle Minder. Consider hand embroidery and how you can put it on the outside of the hoop. You can also use it for English paper piecing. You can even hold the pieces together, and then when you gotta walk away, use the needle minder to hold the needle in place. Of course, for quilting or adding on your binding, this would be a fantastic thing. Just clip the needle minder onto the quilt itself. And go ahead and start stitching. And then when you've gotta walk away, it'll hold your needle in place. What's really cool is it is an actual decorative pin. So look how beautiful it is. But of course, don't forget its functionality. And this one was kind of neat. I liked how Sheri pointed out that you could even put it on your sleeve. Look how great that is. So what did you think of that? All kinds of uses and potential things that you can use this for inside and outside your sewing space. And now you're probably wondering where you can get your very own Sew Speedy Needle Minder. Well, the truth is you can go directly to her website. They are sold exclusively there. And for your chance to win your very own Sew Speedy Needle Minder, go ahead and leave a comment below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also join my weekly newsletter and follow me on Instagram at @SueVeryDesigns. And of course, come join the fun over at my Facebook fan club. All the information is in the description below. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.